Hello guys, today I will show you how to change your date of birth on Stake.com step by step. So, first thing I'm going to tell you that Stake allows you to update basic account info like phone number, email or addresses directly via the profile section. However, name, citizenship or date of birth changes are restricted and cannot be done manually. That means you cannot do it. But to update your date of birth, you can reach out to Stake's support team. The first way is through email. You can email Stake Help. They will review your email for the request to change your date of birth and get it approved. Now, you should provide a clear, honest explanation of why the date of birth update is needed. For example, a typo during registration or changes in the documentation. Also, moderator advice from Stake community confirms that please email Stake support and explain to them why do you want to change your date of birth and they will check and help you. After reviewing a request and documents, Stake support will make the change manually on their end and they will notify you once they have updated your date of birth in the system. So, you cannot adjust your date of birth via the app or website directly. Instead, email support, include valid ID proof and ask them to correct it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.